Subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia. Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today, I've got some big news coming from Amazon, and it's bound to shake things up a bit. Amazon has announced that it will discontinue Amazon Coins and the Amazon Appstore on Android devices starting August 20th, 2025. So what does this mean for you? Well, as of February 20th, 2025, you can no longer purchase Amazon Coins. If you already have coins, you need to use them by August 20th, 2025, because after that, any remaining balance will be refunded. This move is part of Amazon's effort to streamline and improve their services and programs. Now, a quick history lesson. Amazon Coins were introduced back in February 2013, initially for Kindle users, and then expanded to the broader Amazon App Store in May 2013. These coins were used for making purchases within the App Store and in select apps. But don't worry, the Amazon App Store isn't disappearing entirely. It will still be available on Fire TV and Fire tablet devices. So if you're using one of those devices, you're in the clear. Interestingly, this isn't the only recent change Amazon has made. The Amazon App Store on Windows 11 was removed from the Microsoft Store on March 6, 2024. Microsoft will end support for the Windows subsystem for Android on March 5, 2025, which is crucial for running Android apps on Windows 11. This discontinuation means that Windows 11 devices won't support the Amazon App Store anymore. But that's not all. Amazon has also announced some other major cutbacks recently. Their collaboration tool, Amazon Chime, will stop accepting new customers and will be fully discontinued by February 20th, 2026. And if you were a fan of Amazon Inspire, the social commerce feature that was part of the Amazon shopping app, it's no longer available as of February 18th, 2025. So why is Amazon making all these changes? It's all part of their goal to streamline operations and enhance their existing services. These decisions are likely aimed at focusing resources on what works best and what will drive the company forward. In summary, if you're an Amazon Coins user or rely on the Amazon App Store on Android, be sure to use your coins before August 20th, 2025, and look for alternatives for your app needs. And if you're using Windows 11, the clock is ticking for the App Store support. That's all for today. Please subscribe, like, and share Cosmo Academia for more updates. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.